Hello, my lovely crafters. This is Crafty Sue 519. Welcome to my channel. And today is my Saturday Mishmash. And I have stuff for my Saturday Mishmash this week, which is awesome. Alrighty. I have some Happy Mail. I have some cards I made. I have a new paper pumpkin kit to show you. And we will draw the winner for my hidden giveaway. So let's start with some Happy Mail. I got another Halloween card, and it is from Bestie. Look at that. So cute. Trick-or-treaters. And she is, all I can remember is Doodas and Poopas. But she's Susan Tootsie Tucker's best friend. Remember her bestie? She's on the videos. Always so much fun. Look how cute this is. Linda, thank you so much. It was so unexpected and so kind of you to send me a Halloween card. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So now what did I get? I got 3 Halloween cards this year. Ah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. And it says Linda's Crafty Doodas and Poopas, made with love. Oh, look at that bat. He's so sparkly. Sparkly. Nice paper. Nice and stiff. Nice and stiff. Good. Good, good, good. Love it. Thank you, Linda. I so appreciate it. So appreciate it. And then I got a paper pumpkin kit. Look at this envelope. Isn't the envelope itself pretty? Look at that. I wonder if she made that herself. So pretty. Anyhow, I digress. I got my November paper pumpkin kit. It's called Warm Wishes. So let's see what we got in here. We have a Mossy Meadow stamping spot. I love these little things. Oh, and we have our stamp set that looks like a door, Christmas door, pretty. And some sentiments. 'Tis the season with love. Special delivery, warm wishes from our home to yours. Oh, I love it. Little present, little dog. Ah, very cute. Very cute stamp set. I love how they package these things. They should for what they cost, right? They're not cheap. But you get everything you need in one box. So, in the end, I think they're worth it. Okay, let me take this out of the way. And let's open this up. Open it up. Open it up. Oh, my other scissors are in the other room. Let's see here. These are my ribbon scissors. I shouldn't use this. All right. All the goodies out of here so we can see what we should be making. Come with the best pieces of chipboard. Of course, I save those because I never know when I'm going to make something out of chipboard. Really hard chipboard. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, look, it's little, like little houses. How too cute is that? Oh, how too cute is that? And of course, these are all the instructions on how to put them together. How too cute is that? I'm gonna have to play with this. So we got some dimensionals. We got some double-sided tape, and oh, if that's that linen thread, I love that stuff. I use it a lot. I use it a lot. And here, oh, this looks like these might be the little houses. Oh, well, this is easy enough. It looks like all you do is I don't know how, but I'll figure it out. Oh, here we go. I don't know. I have to look at the picture. Let's see. So this comes down like this, and it makes a little house. Cute. Cute, cute. Now, if I'm going to use them like this all the time, I doubt it. I will go rogue and make some cards with it. And you put little treats in here and put them inside the house. In there. And you can give them as little gifts. How too cute. How too cute. Let's see how this one is made. Sorry. I shouldn't play with them now. Look how cute that is. I love it. How cute. I can have a whole bunch of houses out for Christmas this year. Isn't that adorable? What a cute kit. And the treat bags. You get a bunch of treat bags. You get some stickers. Wreath stickers. I guess you can put those on the doors. And some banners that you can put your sentiments on. And more stickers, I think. No, they're not stickers. They're little pop-out, so you'd have to glue them. But they're little wreaths. Aren't they cute? Cute, cute, cute. Fun set. Fun, fun set. Ooh, I can't wait to see what everybody else is making with this one. Very cute. I am definitely working on this stuff soon because I miss my paper crafting. I miss it. I love my crocheting, but I miss my paper crafting. But I did make some cards this week. I made all my December birthday cards. Oh my gosh, just in my family, I have my son on December 5th. I have my stepdaughter on the 16th. My grandson is also on the 16th. My great-nephew is on the 28th. My nephew is on the 3rd. Just overwhelmed with December birthdays. But I knew I wanted to make Christmas birthday cards that were not really Christmas themed, but kind of winter themed since their birthdays are in December. I sent one out yesterday to Alaska, late. Oh, I hate when I miss it, but I did, but I sent the card out anyhow. But these are the cards I decided to make. And it's a little slimline card. And I used all snowflake paper. And I had this snowflake die, so I cut it out of that glitter paper. Isn't that pretty? What a pain. What a pain. First off, I can't stand plain white. So to stamp the happy birthday on a plain white background, nope. So I took them all and I put them in my gently falling embossing folder, which is supposed to be like snow falling, which was appropriate for snowflake cards. So I thought that came out nice. But then these snowflakes, I wanted to put them up on dimension, which they are. I don't know if you can see it. It's very slight. My dimensionals are very thin. And because I don't want to pay extra to send a card. But it lifts it just enough to get it off the paper. And I had this paper in my stash, and you'll see they come in different colors, but they're all blues and all snowflakes. And on the inside, I didn't have to decorate it because this piece was there. And it says, cheerful smiles, a hug or two, happy thoughts are wished for you. Yay. So there's my cards. Now see, this one's got a little bit different background, but the card is exactly the same. And let me see, I got another one that's different. Is it this one? It's hard to tell. Nope, it's this one. And this is a different snowflake background. but they're all the same on the inside. And I have 8 of them, I believe, here. I made 9 because I sent one out already. So, yay, I made some cards. It was so much fun. I enjoyed it so much, except for putting tiny little pieces of dimensional on these snowflakes. It was driving me cuckoo. But tell me what you think. Do you like my December birthday cards? So pretty. I love them. I love them. Alrighty. I'm sure this is what you've all been waiting for, and it's my secret giveaway from last week. Well, I had quite a few comments. Some people were just here to support, which I appreciate so very much. And I had a lot of people that I did not recognize the names. And I had subbies that, of course, I did recognize the names. Now, you know, when I do a giveaway, I always look to see if someone is subscribed to me. Well, YouTube has pulled something on us. They went and changed things. So if you notice on your channel, there is no longer a link that says subscribers on your page, which drives me nuts. Nuts, nuts, nuts. So you can't just click that link and go and see if the person has their subscribers open and if you are one of them. That's gone. So in order to check everybody who did put in the right words, which was just Happy Thanksgiving, in my comment section on that video, I had to go to their channel, see how many subscribers they had, come back to my YouTube studio, go into my subscribers, look for people who have that number of subscribers and see if their name is there. Well, there were quite a few that were not. Quite a few that were not. I did send everybody that I could not see that was subscribed to me a message stating that YouTube had made changes, and I did not see that they were subscribed to me, so if they wanted to enter the giveaway, they'd have to subscribe and let me know. None of them got back to me. So I'm guessing they're just giveaway lookers. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know for sure because I don't know them. I do not know them. They could be subscribers and just don't have their subscribers visible. I did find a way. If you look at the bottom of my page, you'll see my videos, my shorts, and underneath that, you will see all the people that I am subscribed to. I did find out how to do that. It can only be done on a PC, a personal computer, not an iPad or an iPhone or anything like that, as far as I could tell. But I was able to go in and do that. So that's a good thing. I don't like the changes that YouTube have made. It's really put a crimp into our way of doing things in this paper crafting community with giveaways. So I don't know what I'm going to do in the future, if I'm going to do any more giveaways. I don't know. I don't know. I enjoy doing them. I love giving to my subscribers, but YouTube is just making it so difficult now. So if you have a computer and you want to put your subscribers visible so people can see them, there is a link. Now I have to look it up because my computer shut off. But there is something under your name on your page that says Customize Channel. It's right beside where your picture is on your channel. And if you click on that, this is where you would also go to get rid of that For You section that they added to everybody's page if you don't want it. So if you don't want the For To section on your page, you just go down where it says Recommendations for Viewers, for you, and you can just slide that little thing over to the left and it will take that off your channel. I've taken it off my channel. Under that, there is something that says add section. And if you go into that and click it and go to the bottom of it, it says channels, and under it is subscriptions. Click it. And if you do, who you're subscribed to should show at the bottom of your page. So for any of you who want to make your subscribers visible again, that's what you need to do. But as far as I can tell, it can only be done on a computer, not on an iPad or iPhone. It was that customized channel was not on either one of those devices. Alrighty, enough said. I just wanted to explain that. So if your name is not on this list, I could not see you were a subscriber. And this is for my subscribers. So I had 10 people. I had it all set for more because there were more people. And of course, I didn't get as many people entering because I did not advertise it as a giveaway. How these other people found it, I don't know. I don't know. Because I did not put anywhere that I was doing a giveaway on that video, other than in the video. So the ones that I could verify that were subscribers were V. Hargett. I believe she won my last one. Amber Maddie 7196, Crafty Crafts by Dina, Petey Pie Designs, and Vida Sinha, Cindy N, My Crafty Adventures, Cynthia McCoy, Bertha Blessed Wilson, and Gina Loves to Craft. If your name is not on the list, like I said, I could not verify that you were a subscriber of mine. And to my subscribers who are in other countries, I am so sorry I can't include you on this. But boy, I'll tell you, postage in the US has just gone through the roof. And which reminds me, I have to go and buy Christmas stamps for this year. It's just ridiculous. Everything seems to be against our community for doing things easily. So we have 10 people. And I have my little wheel set up from 1 to 10, as you can see here. And we're going to give it a spin. And whoever wins that big bag of crafty tools from Dollar Tree. So good luck, everyone. And here we go. Number 4. Number 4 is Lori, Petey Pie Designs. Congrats, Lori. Yay. Yay. So I will get your package out in the mail Monday. And just leave a comment below that you saw that you won. I have your address. And thank you to all who comment and subscribe and enter my little giveaways. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I have the twins for the weekend, so I don't know how much crafting I'm going to be able to get done, but I'm going to give it a try anyhow. And remember, be creative, have fun, and do something just a little bit naughty. Love yous. Bye.